So user tables are really important in Glide. They power sign-in, permissions, profile screens, and a whole load of functionality that you can build out for your app for different user experiences. Underneath, user profile tables are just tables with user data, but they've been assigned here as the user profile table. And they therefore have to have three basic columns: a text column, which is usually for the username, an email column, and an image column. Now, when you create a new app, Glide already sets this up for you. This table is already there in the data editor and has got this little blue icon here, which shows you that it's assigned as the user profile table. Now, if you visit this table, you can see four columns: name, email, photo, and then role. And the first three of these are absolutely required for all apps, as those are the minimum number of properties that a user needs to have for Glide and your app to function. Now, you can add many more columns here. The role column's already set up for you if you want to create roles in your app. You can assign different columns in the user profile settings area here. You can change them if you want, but you always need three fundamental columns in Glide for the user table.